Good morning. Standard 4th, EVS Part 2, Lesson number 18, Management of the Welfare State of Swaraj Part 2. Sea trade and other markets. Shivaji Maharaj raised his own independent navy in order to protect his Swaraj well and to establish his rule over the sea adjoining Swaraj. But that was not all. He also had special cargo ship built to promote trade in Swaraj. He developed trade ports like Rajapur. He built a special market and Raigad. He started a separate market place at Khed, Shivapur near Pune. He developed marketplace in big town and roadside village. A new pet or settlement was established at Passion near Pune by the order of Veermata Jijabai. It was referred to as Jijapur. Shivaji Maharaj levied more taxes on goods imported for from the outside regions to promote trade within Swaraj. He levied more tax on the salt produce in Portuguese territory, which made it costlier. On the other hand, he reduced the tax on the salt produce in Swaraj so that people could buy it at a cheaper rate. Naturally, it led to an increase in the trade of salt produce in Swaraj. Thus, local trade was encouraged. Shivaji Maharaj made efforts for the growth of trade and industries in Swaraj. He personally made sure that his subjects would not be cheated by the merchants in any way. When he came to know that people are being cheated in the coconut and betel nut trade in Konkan, he warned the Subedar for that reason. Shivaji Maharaj raised his own independent navy in order to protect his Swaraj well. Shivaji Maharaj had special cargo ship built to promote trade in Swaraj. He developed trade ports like Rajapur. Shivaji Maharaj built a special market on Raigad. He started a separate marketplace at Khed, Shivapur near Pune. He developed marketplace in big town and roadside village. Shivaji Maharaj took more tax on the salt produce in Portuguese territories. On other hand, he reduced the tax on salt produce in Swaraj so people could buy it at cheaper rate. Naturally, it led to increase in the trade of salt produce in Swaraj. Shivaji Maharaj personally made sure that his subject would not be cheated by the merchant in any way. When he came to know that people are being cheated in the coconut and betel nut trade in Konkan, Shivaji Maharaj warned the Subedar of that region. High regard for women. Shivaji Maharaj had ordered that the women and children in the enemy camp were not be harmed in any way during the period of war. In fact, they were to be treated with great respect. The behavior of Shivaji Maharaj on several occasions set the ideal of how women were to be treated. The Maratha army had marched upon Belawadi in Karnataka to vanish the fortress there. Malamma Desai, a brave woman, fought a great battle in defense of the fortress. When Shivaji Maharaj came to know about her courage, he called her his younger sister, returned her fortress and village to her with honor and gave her the title Savitri. Shivaji Maharaj always gave respect to women. When women and children in the enemy camp, Shivaji Maharaj ordered that they were not be harmed in any way during the period of war. Lamma Desai, a great brave woman, fought a great battle in defense of fortress. When Shivaji Maharaj knew about Malamma Desai, he called her younger sister and returned her fortress and village to her with the honor and gave her the title Savitri. Vigilance regarding cleanliness. During the regime of Shivaji Maharaj, measures were taken to maintain better cleanliness in homes and in public places. He issued orders telling people to make fence of the Nirgudi bush around the house to prevent the entry of animals like mice, insects, and ants. Fumigation was also suggested to destroy the germs that are harmful to health. People were warned not to leave garbage lying on the roads and markets on the floor. If garbage piled up in a various places, in spite of all this, it was not be thrown down the floor. It was be burned on the spot, and the ashes were to be used as manure for the vegetables grow in backyards. Shivaji Maharaj issued orders telling people to make fence of the Nirgudi bush around the houses to prevent the entry of animals like mice, insects, and ants. People were warned not to leave garbage lying on the roads and markets on the floor. It was to be burnt on the spot, and the ash were be used and manure of vegetables grown in backyards. Shivaji Maharaj's management of force, guns, and firearms, like navy protection of environment, water management, sea trade, markets, cleanliness, and hygiene, is a guiding force for us even today. Hindvi Swaraj. Hindvi Swaraj was a dream of Shivaji Maharaj. Anyone who lived in Hindustan, no matter to what religion or community they belonged, was a Hindvi. Their Raj was Hindvi Swaraj. Religious tolerance. The religious policy of Shivaji Maharaj was liberal in his campaigns. He never causes any harm to mosques if he can across a copy of the Quran. Sharif, he would respectfully pass it on the Muslims. He never hated Muslims simply because they were Muslims. If a person who had changed his religion wished to return to his original religion, Shivaji always helped him. His brother-in-law, Babaji Naik Nimbakar, was in the service of Adil Shah of Bijapur. Adil Shah made him accept the Muslim faith. Babaji made Bijapur his home. He longed for nothing, but he was unhappy that he had changed his religion. One day he made up his mind to come back to his own religion. Shivaji Maharaj welcomed him back in his religion. The story of Netaji Palkar is similar. His religion had been changed, but he wished to return to his original faith. Shivaji Maharaj accepted him back into his religion. And we know that Shivaji Maharaj showed respect for all religions. He never caused any harm to mosques. If he came across a copy of Quran Sharif, he would respectfully pass it to the Muslim. He never hated Muslim, a person who had changed his religion and he wanted to return his original religion. Shivaji Maharaj always helped him. His brother-in-law, Babaji Naik Nimbalkar was in the service of Adil Shah at Bijapur. Adil Shah made him accept the Muslim faith. But after some time, Babaji was unhappy that he had changed his religion. One day, he made up his mind and came to back to his own religion. Shivaji Maharaj welcomed him. Like this, Netaji Palkar also changed. Netaji Palkar also want to return in his original religion. Shivaji Maharaj accepted him also. Remember him. Shivaji was a torchbearer in the dark night of chivalry, a fighting who got the better of all difficult situations, who slowly but surely increased his strength while giving fight to the powerful enemies, who encouraged his comrades and fooled his opponents, and in the end achieved his goal. He was a model son, a, a courteous leader, a skilled organizer, a benevolent administrator, a clever military strategist, a great warrior, a tear to wicked, a defender of the good, and a approach maker. When one see all these brilliant facts of his personality, one cannot but say to oneself, bring to memory his wonderful image and remember his great achievements. Shivaji Maharaj was a torchbearer in the dark night of chivalry. He was a great fighter who got better all difficult situation, who increased his strength while fighting against the powerful enemies. He encouraged his comrades, fooled his opponents, and achieved his goal. He was an idle son, a leader, a skilled organizer, and benevolent administrator, a clever military strategist, a defender of good, and epoch maker.